What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Kakashi from Naruto. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. We want to start with the one on the left, start from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now you leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So let's start by lining up the top, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's go to the top left side of the left eye and draw a small circle for a highlight. And we'll fill the inside of the eyes in black. Let's go to the center of the right eye, add a small black dot. Let's add 3 dots going around, one along the top, and then 2 along the bottom. Now just up above the eyes, we're going to add a curve for the headband. Start all the way over on the left side, we're going to go up above the eyes, go across, and then down. Let's bring the brow coming down on top of the eyes, starting underneath the headband, angle this down and then in. The same thing on the right. And then from the inside, we're going to curl the brow coming in and then up. And I'll add some thickness to the eyebrows. Let's add some hair coming down along the side. Coming down and out, and then back up and in on both sides. Let's add a longer strand coming down. Pull that up and then in underneath the headband. Now I want to tuck the head in underneath the hair, starting all the way over on the left, bend this down, come across the middle, and then up on the right side. Let's draw the top edge of the mask, starting on the left, come across, and then up in the middle, round out the center, come down underneath the right eye, and then out. Let's add that scar underneath the right eye. Bend this down and in, and then taper that back up. Let's add the ears on the side. From the top, go all the way around the hair, and then back in, and do the same thing on the right. Let's add some hair coming down in behind the head. Come down from the ears, go up and in with a short line, come down, and go up and in. Now I'm going to add a wave going up along the side of the headband. Starting from the bottom, going out, in, out, and then back in. Let's follow this curve going up along the top. I'm just going to go just past center out towards the side. Let's add a long strand of hair coming down. We come down towards the bottom, go back up, add another point coming down, and then up. And then from the bottom corner of the headband, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to draw that wave coming up underneath the hair. Now, going all the way back over towards the left, we're going to draw the top of the hair spikes. Let's start up here, bend this up and then in. Bring that back down. Let's add a longer one. Going up and in. Back down. Now we'll continue going all the way across toward the top right of the hair. And then we'll bend that back down. Now I'm just going to work our way down the right side. Go out with a straight line. Come down. Just going to add a few more points. Going out. And then in. And we'll add one more. I'm just going to angle this down. And then in towards the side. Let's add that metal plate in the center of the headband. We're going to start along the top with a curve going in behind the hair. Now from the side, I'm just going to round this out and come down. Let's round out the bottom corners, go across towards the right. Let's add 2 rivets on each corner. And we'll add that symbol in the center. So on the right side, we're going to do a swirl. Going all the way around, go in towards the middle. On the top right, angle this up and out. Let's go to the left side of that swirl, angle down, go straight in across the bottom. Now just underneath the head, let's add in the collar. We start on the left, bend this down in the middle, and go up. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend this up and then out towards the left, and then the right. Let's go out to the side of the collar, curve the body going out and then down towards the hips. And close out the bottom with a curve. Let's add a zipper coming down the middle, so we draw two lines, one on the left and one on the right. Now in the center of the body, we're going to add another seam with a curve coming in behind the zipper and then up on the right. And then along the top panel, we're going to separate this with two lines coming down on either side. Let's go back to the center, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the middle, go to the left side, we're going to bend the leg, going out and then down towards the left heel. Go over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting on the left, curve the foot coming down and then up towards the outside. And then from the outside, we're going to curve the top of the foot. We want to go up, in, and just bend that down, aiming towards the heel. Just going to leave a gap along the inside. Now we're going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. We're going to go out and then down on top of the feet. Let's add a thick sole on the bottom of the foot. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. And then we're going to open up the toe. We're going to start on the outside, come in, and then bend that down. Let's separate the toes with two curves on either side, starting with the outside, coming in. And then just up above the foot, we're going to add a curve, coming down and then up. Let's move up and draw that again. From the top left, we're going to add a curve, coming down and then in towards the bottom right. Let's go in the opposite direction on the right leg. Let's add one more bandage across the left thigh. Start from the top, curve down and then in, step down and draw that again. On the outside leg, we're going to add a pack. We're going to go out, come down, and then back in. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start halfway down the side of the body. So we're going to start right here, bend the inside of the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist, and then line it up on the right. From the wrist, draw a small half circle coming in and out by the thumb. Close off the inside, going up, and then in towards the wrist. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. We're going to start from the bottom of the thumb. We're going to come down and then up. Come out towards the side, add the second finger, going out and then up. And then the third finger, we're going to blend into the arm, going up and then in underneath the head. Let's repeat that on the right side. Now you want to separate the top of each finger with a curve going across in towards the thumb. Let's go to the top of the wrist, curve this up and then out. Step up and draw that again. Now let's leave a gap and draw another curve coming in across the sleeve. And then we'll roll up the sleeve, adding one more curve. Now we're going to add a half circle along the top of each arm along the outside. And we're going to come back down and add a metal plate along the back of the hand. Let's start just underneath the wrist with a straight angle line coming towards the thumb. Flatten off the ends. And close off the bottom. And I'm also going to add 4 small dots going around. Let's do the exact same thing over on the right in the opposite direction. Now we're going to have our character holding the blade in behind the left hand. So let's start from the wrist, angle this up and out. Come back to the hand, step down, angle this out. Now it's going to merge this in towards the center point, towards the outside, and then sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Kakashi from Naruto. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also check out our other channels. I'll leave the links in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.